guys, welcome back. We have one more project before the trip and Kevin's digging into that now. It is the rear limit straps. So he's just getting this all unwrapped. So he kind of threw this in when we were at the sand show. I wasn't expecting to get this. I know we have front
limit. You knew
limit.
it was coming sooner or later.
I know we have front limit straps, but what are we trying to improve with the also limiting the rear?
So the rear, I believe, I think that it's just having too much travel. So when the axle is at full droop, the angle is pretty excessive. And what I want to do is probably just limit it a little bit. Probably just get it 2 or 3 inches up above that. So that way we have less of a droop and we'll see how the CV goes.
All right. So here's some of the parts. He's just getting the rest out. And over here, guys, she's looking good. Wheels are on, tires, the sway bars. What else? We did the Heim joints, the TLS, and the axles. Let's see if I can get a closer look. There. See if I can get the angle in there for the TLS. And again, we always, if you guys have been following us along, Kevin always marks these with these marks. We torqued everything down and tightened everything, but that's just to make sure after every ride, nothing, that yellow marker did not move. So everything's looking good. Here's the spare. We're almost ready to go. And this yellow rope, Kevin was actually getting it all aligned, so we're gonna have to probably do it again when we come back, right? What do you think?
No, I think once the alignment's set, the rear should be pretty stout. But maybe if say there's you hit something, then something is off, then you have to redo the alignment.
Okay.
But every so often, I just check the ride. Just put the string around, you check the gaps, make sure you get the toe right, and
yeah. So today,
every little bit makes a big difference in the feeling of the car.
So today we're just finishing up. So here it is. We're gonna finish up with these limit straps for the rear. All right. First, we do need to jack up the car tires off the ground. So we're just getting that done now. So with the straps, it should limit that when you're hitting the whoops.
How the CV angle is?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to limit that travel.
When you hit like a big whoop or something.
Yeah. So as we're going through the whoops, the suspension travels.
And it stays down.
So let's try to limit it a little bit, and then I'm gonna mess around with the rebound, so we could play with the suspension.
All right. All right. So let's grab some of those parts. All right, next what we're doing is we're taking the original, just need to take that bolt off because we're going to be replacing them with what we're installing, right? Mm-hmm. That's going to be replaced. Saw the tension on it.
Yeah, I gotta lower the car a little bit.
Funny because the instructions say to lift the car up first.
There you go. Alright.
Okay, so the stock bolt was removed and we're putting the shock therapy ones and we're gonna do it inside out per the instructions.
There we go. Okay.
Did you need that washer? Oh, you put it in already? Okay, on the other side. All right, next. And the same on this side. Stock one out and a new one in. And new one inside out.
Sweet.
All right. Next, we need to prepare the billet aluminum clamp. We just need to take them apart, which they are already apart, and put, what was the next step? Let me see. Okay, so this clevis, this is the clevis thing, I guess, is going to be installed onto this. So Kevin just needs to prepare this so we can get it
Put it on
onto
the
the
table.
shock.
Okay.
So this is going, the clevis is going onto the billet straps, billet clamps. All right.
Okay.
All right, just going back to the instructions, you want to make sure this is all lined up really well, because once it's installed onto the shocks, it's apparently really hard to access. So I guess if you prep it up now that so that it's aligned, it'll be you wouldn't be like set up for failure, or you wouldn't have to have it wouldn't be a pain to get those back out or whatnot. Alright, just putting some Loctite onto these screws because we're going to get ready to move it onto the shocks. See, oh, we need to raise the car down?
Oh no, you just leave it.
Oh, you're fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I believe this thing has to be. Oh, this has to be on the outside. This is good.
Alright. Let's get the other one on. The other side. Get some Loctite.
Yeah.
Alright, time for the straps.
So
Spacer.
this.
Oh, you want me to bring the car down some more?
Yes. Well, we gotta put the bolt on. Yeah, I guess you bring it.
Yeah, it's just gonna. What the hell? Oh, shit. Oopsie. Brought down way too much. Alright, there's one on with the spacer. We're gonna go back and tighten these, but we just wanted to get the straps on to see how they look.
Nice. So I like the design of this because everything's all connected to the shock.
Yeah.
There's nothing yanking on the frame. that's pretty awesome. Sweet. So I believe this just goes right in here, huh? Yeah, there you go.
Does anything close it? Is there like a...
I think the factory...
Oh, the factory
bolt goes right into it.
Alright. I'm gonna say it's... The straps are gonna slip out. So this goes back onto it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Alright guys, we're working on the last strap. That's it. That was pretty quick. Just getting rid of putting the limit straps on. So that was pretty quick and easy. Didn't take up too much time. A lot easier when the car is all put back together. She's looking really good. We should be ready to head out now, or not now, but tomorrow. So guys, thanks for joining us along these install series while we prep for desert season. We'll see you guys next week.
Thanks. You guys have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.